Now we'll practice few postures in prone position. Lie down on your stomach, touch the chin to the ground and hands in line of the chest. First we'll practice Bhujangasan. Inhale, exhale. While inhaling, slowly come up, bend backwards. 1, 2, 3, lower down. Join the feet together. Once again. While inhaling, slowly lift the torso up. Bend backwards. 1, 2, 3. Come down. Now we'll practice Tiryak Bhujangasan. Inhale and slowly come up. Exhale and twist the head along with the torso and look over the left shoulder to the right heel. Inhale and while exhaling, bring the face in the front. Inhale and while exhaling, twist the head to look over the right shoulder to the left heel. Face forward again. While exhaling, lower the torso on the ground. Repeat this once. While inhaling, raise the torso. While exhaling, look to the right heel over the left shoulder. While exhaling, look in the front. Inhale. While exhaling, look at the left heel over the right shoulder. Face forward again. While exhaling, lower the torso on the ground. Relax.